I made this entire ad just by using Google's Nano Banana Pro and Veo 3 models.
Hey buddy, please step out of the car, we need to talk.
What's the problem, officer? You gonna arrest me over that number plate?
No, it's not about the number plate.
So, it's about the man behind me?
No, it's not even about this.
So, that railway crossing?
No, sir.
Then what?
Actually, I stopped you for this.
Carry and charge energy drink without offering one to a police officer, that's the real crime.
First, we head over to the Filmora website to grab the latest versions. You will be redirected to the official website when you click on the description link. You can see that it is available for all platforms. On the Wondershare Filmora sidebar, click on the Create Project tab. It will navigate to the Import tab directly. Let's choose the Stock Media tab and click on the AI Media drop-down. Here you will get various AI options. Let's start with image generation by clicking on the AI image option. Make sure that you have selected the Nano Banana Pro model for the most realistic and natural look. Now we need a high-quality prompt. Let's switch over to ChatGPT 5.2 and generate a prompt for a hyper-realistic cinematic scene of Dominic Toretto. Copy that detailed prompt and paste it back into the Filmora prompt box. Before clicking Generate, change the resolution to 2160p to ensure we have a crisp 4K base image. Click on the Generate button and in just a few seconds, you'll have a professional grade image ready for the timeline. Let's make it full screen for preview. Look at the detailing of the image. Here we can save it directly to our system by clicking the camera icon. You'll see the file path appear right on the screen. Now we need a few more shots to complete our story. Head back to ChatGPT and ask for an aerial view shot of two police cars chasing the hero on a desert highway during golden hour ultra-realistic 4K. You can see a highly detailed prompt is generated by ChatGPT, covering everything from the asphalt texture to the long shadows. Copy that new prompt, head back to the Filmora AI image tool, paste it in and hit Generate. You can see that we got our image ready with added motion blur effects, and the character inside the car is also preserved with perfect character consistency. Now, we need to generate another shot for our narrative. We need a frame showing the police officer standing beside the driver's side window of the black Dodge Challenger, leaning slightly towards the window while speaking. To make this work perfectly, we are using the image reference feature. By uploading our previous Toretto shot as a reference, we ensure the lighting and style match across all our generated assets. Similarly, generate more images like close-up shot, car's back view, a man trapped in the back seat, the product on the passenger seat, both characters drinking the product. Let's create all the images that we need. Now, let's turn these into video by selecting the image to video option from the side pane. Make sure that you have selected Veo 3.1 as the video model. You can use a single image for image to video generation or use start and end frames as references to create your videos. Let's first try the image to video generation. Simply click on the image uploading option and add the driving image we saved to our system earlier. In the prompt box, add a simple instruction like the man is driving the car with natural motion. To ensure we get that premium, big budget look, adjust the settings here for maximum quality. Once you're set, hit the Generate button and watch the AI transform your static photo into a dynamic, high-octane driving sequence. Now, let's add the aerial shot and enter the prompt. Two police cars chasing a black car at normal speed with realistic engine and siren sounds, and a static camera positioned roadside as the cars pass through the frame, leaving only the empty road visible afterward. Finally, adjust your settings for high quality according to your requirements and hit the Generate button. You can edit the clips by adding it into timeline. Look at this. Remember, you can generate these highly detailed prompts using ChatGPT to get the most accurate results. Now, let's try video generation using first and last frame reference. Click the first frame box and upload the shot of the driver staring out the windshield. Then, click the second frame box and upload the shot of the police officer standing at the driver's window. In the description box, we'll detail the transition, the dialogues of each character. Filmora's AI will intelligently bridge these two moments into a seamless cinematic shot. After the prompt, adjust settings and tap Generate button to get results like this.
Hey buddy, please Please step out of the car. We need to talk.
The problem, officer, you're gonna arrest me over that number plate.
It's perfect. Now, for a smooth, continuous scene, let's take the end frame of the video we just created and use it as our first frame, then add the shot of the product can on the seat as the last frame. Add a prompt defining the movement and the action you want to see. All the videos we have created will be displayed in the left panel and we can drag them directly onto the Filmora timeline to edit. From here, you can adjust the timing and make your cuts directly in the timeline to perfect the flow of the ad. Next, let's sharpen the quality. Select a clip, go to the Video tab on the right, stay in the Basic sub-tab and scroll down to AI Video Enhancer. You will see two options, Enhance and the Topaz Starlight model. Toggle the switch on and select the Topaz Starlight model for top-notch quality. Click Generate to upscale the footage to a professional level. You can clearly see how the detailing on the skin texture and the overall quality are significantly enhanced. Now, let's add some energy to the edit. Head over to the Transitions tab at the top. You can see a huge variety of transitions available here. I'm selecting this specific transition, but you can also search for it directly in the search bar, type Warp Zoom 6. Drag this transition directly between your chase clips. Adding transition effects between clips like this creates that high-paced, aggressive feel that is absolutely essential for an action-packed ad. Color grading is essential for achieving a professional cinematic effect. To get that perfect look, click on the Color tab. You'll find a variety of settings including LUT, Colors, Light, Adjust and Vignette. Click the LUT drop-down where you can access the controllers for strength and skin tone. While you can experiment with multiple presets, let's select the N-Log 709 cinematic preset for this project. Dial back the strength to about 25%. You can see that the AI model is analyzing and correcting the visuals in real time to perfect the cinematic look. Ensure Protect Skin Tones is checked so the characters look natural and consistent. To wrap it all up, click the Export button at the top right. Select Export to Device. In the Export window, navigate to the Device tab. You can choose from various options here, but I have selected iPhone. You can also change the resolution from here to ensure a high quality output. Click Export and just like that, you've created a cinematic masterpiece. Make sure to click the link in the description to download Filmora. It's an amazing tool for creating AI videos with a proper timeline, so you can edit everything easily in one place. Thanks for watching.